If you're still typing to ChatGPT, did you know that you can just chat with it and it can actually chat back with you? Well, check out this AI tool.
This is a Chrome extension that allows you to interact with ChatGPT using your voice. It uses speech recognition and text-to-speech technologies, enabling you just to chat with ChatGPT through your microphone and hear its responses. This is important because it makes interacting with ChatGPT more accessible and efficient. It eliminates your need for typing, allowing you to multitask and save time. It's like having a conversation with your AI assistant. With Talk to ChatGPT, you can toggle voice recognition on or off, control the bot's voice, skip the current message, all in the settings menu. It supports all major languages and even allows you to create your own voices using my favorite 11 Labs API. So this is for anyone who uses ChatGPT and prefers voice interaction. Whether you're a professional needing to create content, a student doing research, or a user who enjoys conversing with AI, Talk to ChatGPT can enhance your ChatGPT experience.